Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Situated in Havendale Heights, St. Andrew, is this 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom, 2-level house for sale. It comes with stunning views of the city and the mountains. Each floor comprises 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, living and dining rooms, a bonus room that may be used as helpers' quarters or office, large kitchen with a laundry room, and wide balcony to enjoy the views and the cool climates of the hills. This property sits on a large lot of 0.4 acres, and the grounds are well fruited with mangoes, coconuts, ackee, and more. It may be just what you're looking for, a large home for your family with the opportunity of an income earner. The upper level is currently occupied, while the lower level is incomplete for flooring, windows, doors, electrical and plumbing fittings, etc., providing the creative buyer with the opportunity of transforming the space into a dream home. Call to learn more and to schedule your viewing appointments. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 52 million or US $337.8 thousand to purchase or make an offer. Please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.